So we'll practice Hoya. One,
Okay,
two,
okay.
three.
Oh yeah!
You met AB.
I've met AB. Yes, man. I used to literally worship him. There are Snapchat stories of me with the Artika Thali while he's playing.
One, two, three.
10 करोड़! Yeah! अद्भुत, 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 अद्भुत। एक लायन आता था और वो डांस करता था।
हाँ।
वो मुझे बहुत पसंद था। अभी I was working at this company called Filter Copy.
Yes.
Yeah, उसके पहले मेरा कुछ फिल्म मेकिंग का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था। समय रैना का तो मतलब ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है, बट ही इज डेफिनेटली गना मेक अ ग्रेट कमबैक।
एकदम फटाफट quickly. एकदम फटाफट
quickly.
चला. One line you overuse in every reel.
ए मण्या सॉफ्ट मुलायम मराठी मऊ मऊ
अनिता.
अनिता वनिता
Vanita. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
अनिता वनिता सुनीता।
Manish, welcome. Yeah, I'm so happy to have you here on the
थैंक
show.
यू ग्लेन एंड दिस इज सेकंड टाइम। आई मीन इतना क्या अच्छा बोल दिया लास्ट टाइम की वापस बुलाया मुझे
2 बार, हाँ?
2 बार।
बार.
थर्ड टाइम से चार्म। फिर नेक्स्ट वीक आ जाओ वापस।
Bhai, first up, I want to tell like, all my listeners and all the viewers right now, Manish just hosted the Waves Summit. So congratulations on that.
Thank you,
इतना
man.
बड़ा आपका ये achievement. And for me, it's a very happy moment. Why? Because कुछ लोगों की जब जीत होती है तो आपको लगता है it's a personal victory. So I'm very proud of you with whatever you've done.
Thank
You've been
you,
creating content for over a decade.
Yes.
Professionally 2-3 years. आपने gaming channel भी start किया. So let's start शुरू से शुरुआत करते हैं.
Yes.
Tell me before the reels and all of that, what was Manish?
Manish was a guy who loved consuming content. मतलब मैं 7th 8th standard से मतलब I was what like 11 12
Yeah.
तब से I've been properly like religiously consuming YouTube content.
हाँ.
ठीक है, और content का पहले से ही कहीं ना कहीं कीड़ा मुझे था क्योंकि I started off with shooting random gameplays. I used to play this
Right.
game called RuneScape.
हाँ.
तो मैं क्या करता था, कैमरा से बहुत ही मतलब लो क्वालिटी कैमरा से वो गेम प्ले शूट करता था, उस पे वॉइस ओवर डाल के आई यूज्ड टू एडिट दैट एंड थ्रू एडिटिंग माय वीडियो क्रिएशन का जर्नी स्टार्टेड।
So technically you started off doing everything on your own, by yourself.
Yes. And this was like purely for fun.
We're going to do a never have I ever version, but it's going to be the Glenn version. If you have done it, you're going to say, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
If you haven't done it, you're going to say, no yeah.
No yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So we'll practice oh yeah. 1,
Okay,
2,
okay.
3.
Oh yeah. I don't know if this is allowed.
I'll say sorry. If you've not done it, you will say,
No yeah.
oh yeah.
No.
All right?
But in the same
In
tone.
the same tone. Okay?
ठीक है.
Let's शुरू करें?
चलो
Okay, let's शुरू करें.
Let's शुरू करें.
Okay.
हाँ.
Never have I ever checked my reel views in the middle of a party.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Never have I ever used my character or my Instagram persona to flirt.
No, yeah. But I should.
You
Yeah, I should.
You should,
I'm
you
writing
should.
this.
Never have I ever DM'd a celebrity hoping for a reply.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, of course.
Never have I ever deleted a reel because I didn't think it was good enough.
Oh yeah. I mean, oh yeah.
Okay, well done. Never have I ever used my Bengaluru team obsession to get free match tickets.
No, yeah.
Hey, that's
I
a true
should.
fact.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
a true fact,
fact.
but-
That's a true fact. Yeah.
Never have I ever pretended not to care about some other content creator's progress.
Not to care.
Huh.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
Regretful.
You didn't say it properly.
Oh
1, 2, 3.
yeah. Oh yeah.
बेंगलुरु की टीम इस वक्त राइड कर रही है. What a template they have set for themselves. Brilliant cricket they're playing. And your favorite Virat King Kohli man. Buddy, what a player. What a man.
What a player.
It broke my heart जब हमें पता चला
Retirement.
he's retiring
Yeah,
from white ball cricket, red ball cricket, I beg
Yeah,
your
red
pardon.
ball.
और फिर उसके बाद this guy is in a different league altogether.
Yep.
Have you met Virat personally?
No man.
You met AB.
I've met AB. Yes. Oh
यार
my
तुमने
god.
AB के साथ क्या कारनामा किया? No, I cannot believe you did this with AB de Villiers.
Yes.
सबको बता तुमने AB de Villiers के साथ क्या किया?
एक तो पहली चीज 8 से 10 साल पहले मेरे रूम में AB के पोस्टर्स हुआ करते थे. अभी ये टाइम पे मेरे दीवार पे मेरी और उसकी फोटो लगाई हुई है.
The true art of manifestation.
Exactly.
हाँ.
So that's I mean बहुत ही रैंडम था एंड ऑनेस्टली एज यू स्पोक अबाउट मैनिफेस्टेशन, ऐसे मैंने कुछ किया नहीं था मैनिफेस्ट.
You just worked.
I don't know what it was. Like I just got a message from, so this was hosted by Meta. Meta के office में, you know, all these sports people and musicians, they keep coming and Meta gives a chance to creators to collab with them. और ऐसे उस AB के पहले मुझे ऐसा कुछ मेजर अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिला था. एक दिन मैसेज आया कि डायरेक्टली AB डिविलियर्स आ रहा है, कोलैब करना चाहते हो क्या? That night I didn't sleep, Glenn. I didn't sleep because एक तो I had to work on a concept. Concept हो गया था 1 बजे तक, but 1 से 6 बजे तक नींद बिल्कुल नहीं आई.
हाँ.
Because AB for me was my hero. Glenn, I used to literally worship him. There are Snapchat stories of me with the Artika Thali while he's playing.
क्या बात है यार.
So that was AB for me.
And what did you do with AB de Villiers? तुमने KBC खेला उसके साथ. Tell us how did you play KBC with AB de Villiers?
10 crore!
10 crore!
But
we have to do 10 crore one time
yeah,
together. Okay, 1,
definitely.
2, 3.
10 crore! Yeah! अद्भुत.
Well done, well played.
But AB के साथ, I'll tell you one thing, ठीक है? You know what they say? That sometimes when you meet your idols, you change your you look at them in a different way because you were expecting something और
कुछ और ही हुआ.
कोई और ही होता है. But यार मेरे लिए उल्टा था. मैं कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था उससे ज्यादा, मतलब उससे और surreal और unreal was AB de Villiers.
I've met AB because I've hosted
Yeah.
the cricket league
Yes.
that goes on in the country, and I know what you're talking. Tell us what were the options you gave AB de Villiers? तुमने AB के साथ जब खेला तो क्या था? बताओ वो पूरा किस्सा.
तो मतलब वीडियो का
थोड़ा सा ट्रांसक्राइब कर दो
तो
उसको.
एक तो when he walked in ना, मतलब उसने he didn't speak one word but पूरा रूम का ये टोन चेंज हो गया.
और एक
अलग ही ऑरा था उसका. He's very tall by the way.
Yeah,
In
he
real
is.
life he's very tall. I was given like a chance to meet him and talk to him before the video starts. And तभी यार like he spoke so nicely. He made me so comfortable कि जब तक वीडियो शूट करने का टाइम आया I was like completely open with him. And I'll tell you one thing, one fun fact. जब शूट करने बैठे like how we are sitting right now, technical issue हुआ, ठीक है? मुझे उनके साथ 15 minutes मिला before the shoot. So I had 15 minutes with AB de Villiers to say anything, to talk whatever I wanted to.
And what did you tell him?
I told him that I've been to your most important matches in. I was there. There was this one match against South Africa where South Africa hit 400 against India, where de Villiers, de Kock and Faf hit 100. I was there at the match. And there was one more in Pune where again he hit 100. I was there for the match. So in those 2 minutes, जितना मैं बोल सकता था कि AB I've been to these matches, I've seen you play live, I love you. मैंने सब कुछ बोल दिया. And then he asked me कि have you been to the that World Cup match where he hit the fastest 100? I was like no यार, वो रह गया यार, वो थोड़ा इंडिया से दूर था. But the shooting process was lovely. I mean, one take video था by the way.
हाँ तो क्या वो options क्या थे जो तुमने दिए थे? बड़ा फन था यार वो.
तो question ये था कि there were 3 questions. एक तो what is AB de Villiers also known as? Option A था Xbox 360. Option 2 था Mr. 360. Option 3 था Mr. 720 divided by 2. और Option 4 था Supla Shot Inventor. तो ये एक था. And then he got that right.
वो वाला.
What comes after A and B? Option A, B. Option B, D. Option C was D, E, which is the actual answer. And option D, D. ऐसा कुछ तो था.
ये AB वाला किस्सा बहुत बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. What are the cutest cricket memories you have or the sweetest memories you have as a kid? Like देसी बच्चे जो होते हैं ना, हमने सड़क पे क्रिकेट खेला है.
Of course.
तो एक दो कुछ आपके ज़हन में आती है?
एक बहुत ही रैंडम किस्सा है, बताओ क्या? Not even किस्सा. Do you remember in the 2005 या 6 World Cup?
2003 World Cup.
3, sorry.
Saurav Ganguly was captain that time.
Yeah, but that's not what I'm gonna say. वो जब 6 या 4 या विकेट होता था, एक लायन आता था और वो डांस करता था.
हाँ.
वो मुझे बहुत पसंद था.
तो पता है, we are almost the same time that you're talking about.
Right.
तुम्हें पता है जब भी वर्ल्ड कप होता था,
बहुत रैंडम है.
हाँ नहीं, it's not random. Dude, these are memories that I'm going back and people will resonate with this. एक कूपन मिलता था जिसको स्क्रैच करना पड़ता था, या कोल्ड ड्रिंक के बॉटल के जो कैप्स थे उसके नीचे रन्स होते थे. तो आप X नंबर ऑफ रन्स कलेक्ट करो तो आपको बैट मिलता था, स्टंप्स मिलते थे, या फिर आप स्क्रैच कार्ड पे स्क्रैच करो तो वहाँ पे गिफ्ट मिलता था. From scratch cards.
This is again 2003-4 era
2000 era, early 2000s. From scratch cards to today that we have come. जहाँ पे हम Google Pay करते हैं और better like next time आता है.
5 रुपए मिलता है.
5 रुपए मिलता है. मतलब नहीं, वो 5 रुपए भी नहीं, उम्मीद मिलता है.
उम्मीद मिलता है.
We have come a long way, bro.
Long way.
I'd seen you years ago, okay? Before we got to know each other, we have a common friend, Sufyan also. And मैंने देखा था कि आप वो वो मूछों वाली कैरेक्टर प्ले करते हैं जहाँ पे मैंने क्राउड्स में वो जब मैचेस होती हैं वो सब आपने क्रिएट किया. हाउ डिड यू कम अप विद दीस कैरेक्टर्स? वर दे ऑब्जर्वेशनल और वाज इट समथिंग कि हाँ आई कैन मेक दिस एज अ कैरेक्टर?
नहीं यार, it was very spontaneous. मतलब जब मैंने when I was mentioning my initial days of content creation, तभी से I started this मूछी का thing and this दुपट्टा का thing. आज creators वो लोग कर रहे हैं, but I मतलब in 2017 I put this one video called different types of taxi drivers. उसमें भी I don't know if you've seen that video. Every taxi driver has a different मूछी. So that was a very spontaneous thing, and I am that creator who likes to play different characters instead of getting my friends on the video. मतलब I like playing like what Bhuvan does, right? Bhuvan Bam, एक ही single person but different characters. So I have the similar kind of way of working. So that is just to differentiate my characters. मतलब पापा को मूछ दे दिया, चश्मा दे दिया. तो ऐसा इतना इसके पीछे कुछ इतना thinking नहीं है.
One thing that I learned from you also as a creator myself, कि आप आत्मनिर्भर हैं. You do everything by yourself.
Yeah.
So a lot of people may think you have a huge team going on behind you and doing all of these things. No, I've seen you literally. आपके stories को भी जब मैं follow करता हूँ, आप खुद चीजें करते हैं. So to be a good creator, first you'll have to figure things out by yourself.
Yeah,
Eventually, people and things will be associated, जुड़ जाएंगे आपके साथ.
Yeah.
Editing सीखना कितना जरूरी है?
बहुत ज़रूरी है. This skill of editing, you need to know 100%. I've met a lot of creators who, of course, मतलब after a point you have to delegate work, which is something that I'm also doing right now. But editing जानना बहुत ही important है. Like I was actually watching Rajkumar Hirani's one interview. He only mentioned कि filmmaking में सबसे important editing ही होता है.
What not to keep?
What not to keep, exactly. Yes, that's a very important, you can say, tool in film. That's, I think, the most important tool. Because as they say, it can either make or break a film or make or break a video. So I तो started my journey with editing only. सुना होगा Windows Movie Maker, किसने नहीं यूज़ किया है वो? तो journey started only with Windows Movie Maker. Then I got onto Sony Vegas Pro, which is a very niche editing software. Then Final Cut Pro, then Premiere Pro. तो editing जानने से क्या होता है? Editing is not just, for me, it's not just a post-production tool. It comes while writing also. तो मैं जिस तरह से script लिखता हूँ, लिखते लिखते edit होता है, दिमाग में होता है. It's at the back of my head. And that reflects while directing and then obviously editing. And just to add one more thing, somebody asked me recently कि education qualification क्या होता है for video making. I was like, भाई education का कुछ इसमें नहीं लेना देना, इसमें skill बहुत important है. Skill means what? Editing, knowing the basics of video making, direction and film making थोड़ा. अभी I was working at this company called Filter Copy.
Yes.
Yeah, उसके पहले मेरा कुछ film making का experience नहीं था, direction writing का experience नहीं था. I came to them and by that time on my YouTube channel I had multiple videos that I worked on. तो that was enough for them to get an idea कि इसको आता है. पर क्या आता है? What does this mean? It means that he has enough skills of editing, of थोड़ा बहुत writing का. Obviously I was doing things unknowingly, but when I entered Filter Copy, then I understood कि हाँ अरे ये तो मैंने किया है and this is what it's called. I got to know this after I got into a professional setting.
Got it.
Skill तो था already. उसको polish
हुआ.
Yes, exactly. So I think to get into this, ऐसे BMM ही करना चाहिए या direction में course करना चाहिए की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You just need to know those couple of skills and you're good to go.
What do you think Tanmay Bhatt got right?
He's cracked the code, yeah. मतलब
he's the algorithm, I feel.
He's the algorithm. Like what Mr. Beast has done, right, globally. He's understood the importance of titles, of thumbnails, of how to place the most important bit in the first 10 seconds of the video so that people get hooked onto the video and watch it till the end.
Who, according to you, besides Tanmay Bhatt, is the next, or rather, is the big thing? Bhuvan, yes, of course, everybody knows of Bhuvan Bam.
Yeah, I mean, he's already...
he's there.
Yeah, he's there. समय रहना का तो मतलब ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है, but he's definitely gonna make a great comeback. He's already, I don't know if you saw the trailer or the announcement that video that he put. He's gonna have that influence for a long time. Forget the controversy, of course, that was unfortunate and shouldn't have happened. But I think जिस तरह से comeback करने वाला है and वापस he's gonna come back, वापस come back, he's gonna cross that.
Tell us about the Waves Summit, yeah? You were a part of such a big event
Yep.
hosted by the government of India to be associated with them. बहुत बड़ी बात है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताओ यार.
So Waves, though, it's one of a kind. Like it's been said that in the next 4-5 years it's gonna be like at an Oscar level. So being a part of Waves in the first edition was like a big deal for me. And I was YouTube India and YouTube Global has a property called YouTube Creator Collective, where it's like a mini fan fest kind of a thing where it happens in different cities all across the globe. And they call creators, they call different YouTube execs, and I got an opportunity to host that. और actually fun fact was कि मुझे mail मिला था 2 weeks before I was called and asked to be a host. मुझे mail आया था कि ये हो रहा है, you can get a chance to be an attendee there, register करो and we'll let you know. And then cut to 2 weeks later I got a call saying host करना चाहते हो क्या? And then I was like भाई क्यों नहीं? At first I was like होस्ट नहीं किया है, इतने लोग होंगे क्या करेंगे, obviously पूरा full nervous zone में चला गया था. But then I took some time and I thought कि नहीं यार, Waves एक तो first edition है, पहली बार hosting का chance मिल रहा है, और एक बार if I showcase myself then new doors will open for me. तो करना ही था.
Bro, I'm so proud of you. I'm so glad that has happened. चला एक काम करूँगा, अपन एक rapid fire खेलो यार.
चला.
एकदम फटाफट quickly. चला. Favorite character you played?
My mom character.
Excellent. One line you overuse in every reel.
मणिया.
Best creator collab so far.
I did one with Zerwan Bansha recently.
Oh भाई.
क्या था वो?
Bansha crazy है यार.
Crazy. So it's his that English Hindi format. Soft मुलायम, Marathi mo.
Got it. Bansha is very good.
Yeah.
A big shout out to Bansha.
Yeah.
Reels or Indian League match, one to skip forever. Which one?
Indian League match?
Hey,
क्योंकि पैसा तो रील से आता है ना.
वैसे तुम मैच फ्रेंचाइजी भी खरीद सकते हो फिर उसके बाद.
अरे
अरे बाबा, long term goals. Go to snack during editing in the night.
Banana chips.
One celeb you'd like to do a reel collab with, and you do anything to collab with them.
Virat Kohli, dude. Of course.
One thing your followers think about you that's totally false.
Think about me.
That is not true.
That is not true. कि मैं बहुत innocent हूँ.
वो तो मुझे बात है.
बहुत सारे हैं, but ये अभी आ रहा है.
There are a few things about
There are a
Manish.
few things, yes.
Yeah.
Glenn knows.
Yeah, I know.
Glenn knows.
Last question.
Bengaluru
जीतेगी इस साल?
Of course जीतेगी यार. अभी resume हुआ है. It's happened for a reason. नहीं तो cancel हो जाता.
I don't know when this interview will play out. I don't know when this podcast will play out. But these words,
सब लिखा हुआ है. सब लिखा
हुआ है. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि content नहीं चलता. And someone as established as you also would be like, यार इतनी मेहनत की मैंने यार, चला नहीं. और कोई ऐवी रील डाल दी तो मैं से आधे नींद में हूँ, वो रील
परसों ही मैंने एक वीडियो डाला जो which is now at 13 million. I mean people say it's good and all, but वो एक one take वीडियो था. I don't know if you saw Hanuman kind.
देखा मैंने.
वनिता.
Let's do 1, 2, 3.
अनिता, वनिता, सुनीता, अरे बनिता. और वो one take shot था यार.
और तुमने ना क्रोमा को एडिट भी नहीं किया पीछे. ग्रीन स्क्रीन वैसे का वैसा है पीछे.
नहीं यार, वो तो BTS वीडियो था.
ओ यार,
वो उसके पहले एक्चुअल वीडियो था.
वो BTS वीडियो डाला तुमने?
Yeah. And that also got 1 million views. And the actual video got 13 million.
You're doing really well. It's been about 10 years of hard work that you put into this. How much money can somebody earn? It's a very important question that I ask. मैं पूछता हूँ इसलिए क्योंकि हर एक को कंटेंट क्रिएटर बनना है.
Of course.
पैसा कितना कमा सकते हैं?
पैसा ऐसी डिपेंड्स. अभी Instagram itself doesn't pay you.
मेटा पे नहीं करता?
मेटा पे नहीं.
अरे यार, तो आप जब अपना रील्स लिंक करते हैं फेसबुक से तो आपको मनी नहीं आता है?
फेसबुक का अलग से होता है. मैं इतना फेसबुक पे एक्टिव नहीं हूँ, बट जिस तरह से यूट्यूब मोनेटाइजेशन देता है फॉर एड्स दैट आर बीइंग डिस्प्लेड ऑन योर वीडियोस, वैसे Instagram doesn't do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Instagram is branded content. Brands
Only branded content. हाँ. Branded content, and if you have your own products, and if you're into like beauty and healthcare, and if you have your own product, then you can tag that, but that's another vertical altogether.
Brands की बात करते बस.
हाँ, brands का now see अभी in the markets it's said that if you're between 100 and 500k, for every reel you should get between 80,000 and 1 lakh. So that number you can see.
Okay.
Yeah. तो
100 to 500
एक्चुअली इतना बड़ा नहीं, मे बी दिस इज अ
छोटा sample
या
size
या
होगा।
100 to 250 बोल सकते हो।
हाँ
250 to 500 for
2
every,
lakhs.
yeah, around 2 lakhs
for every reel.
for every reel, yeah.
और टाइम पीरियड कितना रखना पड़ता है आपको?
टाइम पीरियड यार इट ऑल्सो
Depends.
डिपेंड्स ऑन द नेचर, लाइक अगर तुम स्केचेस बनाते हो तो थोड़े लंबे हो सकते हैं, बट इफ योर कंटेंट इज क्विक क्रिस्पी देन 30 seconds 45 seconds से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा।
दिस इज मनीष खारगे।
बराबर बोला।
मनीष खारगे my brother who's always a delight when he's in the studio. एक ऐसा vibe हो जाता है ना यहाँ पे जब ये आते हैं, and I feel very energized and happy. Thank you so much for being with us on
Thank you,
Stars
man.
Jugaad, man. What a fun chat we've had. It was absolutely juvenile, and then we went absolutely serious, then we went pensive, then we went brooding, then we went very intellectual, then we went value add. That's the buffet that we can offer you when we have creators like Manish. Manish, drop your socials here, please.
Socials, it's not very creative, it's my name itself.
Yeah.
At Manish Kharge on Instagram and on YouTube at Manish Kharge. But gaming video ka at Mania Mania. I was creative there.
I was
creative there.
आपण आता काय करूया? भेटूया.
भेटूया.
चला
Okay,
take
चला.
care, stay tuned.